What's going on, everybody? Storm Chaser Kevin here, coming to you live from Bristol Plaza on Sunday, July 20th, 2025, with a live severe weather update slash weather report slash weather forecast regarding this evening's and afternoon's severe weather that is incoming. Let's dive right into the weather forecast. Okay, any minute. Um, if you see any flooded roads today, turn around, don't drown. If you see down trees or limbs or power lines that are arcing, do not approach as they could be live. Okay, here we go from the Storm Prediction Center in Oklahoma. All of Connecticut, all of Massachusetts is under a level 2 out of 5 for severe weather. So that is a level 2 out of 5 slight risk. And as for the tornado threat today, there is a low but not zero 2% tornado risk for parts of Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, half of Massachusetts, and no tornado risk for Connecticut. But some very big cities in Massachusetts are under a tornado threat of 2%. And those areas are Worcester, Massachusetts, Boston, Massachusetts, and Springfield, Massachusetts. Next up, wind damage. Next up for wind damage, all of Connecticut is and Massachusetts is in a 15% uh, wind damage threat, which is a level 2 on the scale. And that means the probability of damaging thunderstorm wind or wind gusts of 50 knots or higher within 25 miles of a point is a 15% chance. As for hail, all of Massachusetts and Connecticut is in a 5% probability of hail, and that is hail of 1 inch or larger within 25 miles of a point. And next up, we're going to read the synopsis. Here we go. For the Northeast, a weak to moderately instability is forecast to develop across the Northeast today as temperatures warm into the 80s with dew points in the upper 60s. And as a mid level temperature gradually cool through the day, as the cold front advances east into this uncapped air mass, scattered thunderstorms should develop shear to 30 to 35 knots, and relatively long straight photographs will support the potential for supercells. Weak mid-level lapse rates will be the primary limiting factor for large hail, but the overall favorable shear with strong venting aloft and potential supercells may support isolated large hail. Damaging wind gusts will be the primary threat, both in from initial cells and also from any clusters which develop. Any stronger clusters with Boeing segments could support a better organized, damaging wind swath. The greatest wind damage threat will likely exist from western Massachusetts to as far as southern Maine. If you guys are out there today, keep an eye on the sky. If you get a tornado warning, a tornado watch, a severe thunderstorm warning, severe thunderstorm watch, or even a flash flood watch, take all warnings and watches seriously with the utmost respect. Have a safe day.